dahil kasali kami sa napakahalaga at napakamatingkad na 50th anniversary ng MMFF. Maraming salamat sa GMA Films. Una muna, maraming salamat kay JC Rubio. Kung wala yung kanyang kwento, wala yung script na sulat namin ni Ange, sa kanyang kwento nagsimula lahat ang Green Bones. Maraming salamat sa GMA Films, kay Annette, kay Nessa, sa lahat pinasyaw, sa lahat sa GMA Films. Napakahirap pero napakasarap maging scriptwriter. So para sa lahat ng naghahangat na maging scriptwriter, huwag kayong susuko.
On behalf of the whole Green Bones team, I would like to honor and thank our national artist, Sir Ricky Lee. Sir, salamat po sa pagpalagay ng proyektong ito. It's been my honor and pleasure to work with you. Salamat po sa inspirasyon, for the wisdom, and for guiding us throughout this journey. Thank you, JC, for this beautiful concept. Thank you ko makalimutan from the first time that we pitched in. We share this with you. To the whole Green Bones team, Christian, Bats, Ben, Len, Marilyn, Mao, Direk E, lahat na yung nandito. Walang Green Bones kung wala kayo. Thank you for giving life to the script. To Nessa, to Miss Annette for the encouragement, to Direk Zig, from me and Sir Ricky, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa kwento, sa script ng Green Bones, at mahal ka namin. To my family, I love you, thank you. And to the MMFF jury, maraming salamat po. Thank you for seeing the good in our story, in our script. Maraming salamat po, MMFF.